through. We got number 78. Number 78, we got Cody here coming through. 1951 John Deere Jeep. That is a beautiful machine. It's got a good patina on it and everything. We need it. Number 71 coming in. Austin coming here with the John Deere. That's a G200 diesel. What a beautiful. Oh my God. John Deere. These boys put a lot of work into these machines, and they work like they were yesterday built. Number 81, a beautiful machine. And that's Bruce Honor right there, a 1946 International Model 8. What an impressive machine. Cherry red, coming in just like an orange off the Beetle, number 76. In Minneapolis, we've seen it. We love it. This, that Minneapolis is restored by Howard Lindsay over in Belfair. Beautiful machine. Number 95, Eddie Hedler, 1953 KCC Ford. Beautiful machine. Look at the wheels on this guy, number 79. And note this, we got a 1949 John Deere Jeep. John Corbin on this. 1955, true American Pioneer brick. What a beautiful machine. 55, number 55. Don't get no better from it.
Yeah, tractor brake.
This is Jim Deal. In 1925. That's a 1925 bumper.
That's 100 years old, Ace.
Number 54. That's Jim Harry. Rumley, the 2540. X. Oil pull tractor, Rumley 54. Coming through clean. Nice paint job. Green left here. The machine is quiet, smooth, and ready for what needed to be done. A pure example of American pioneers. A little bit more American Pioneer spirit coming, number 84. That's Jacob Kaiser coming through with a beautiful little car here. Look at that. Beautiful little paint on it. Flag flying, number 52. Jim Baylor is the owner. Farm Cub Super Low made by Joe Cheney. Last driver Bruce Baylor coming through on the little 52, rallying down the runway. Chuck Irwin coming in smooth with a beautiful straw hat on a nice sunny day, rolling in on number 85, a 1953 Ford Jubilee. Beautiful gray paint job on that. Number 58, Mike Lidwell. Matthew Harris Sr., 140 horsepower, restored by Howard Lindsay of Belfair, Washington. A beautiful machine, bright yellow wheels, beautiful cherry red paint job, rolling through like it ain't nothing. And here's something done some work, number 14. Minneapolis Rolling Seat, the classic, ready for business. Number 92, coming through with a grin on his face. He knows he's not got that one on the paper. What a beautiful machine. God bless America. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is the one I saw roll off yesterday. I think I took a picture, a selfie of myself, which I don't do. I had childhood fondness of it. Number 18. What a beautiful machine. You have to love it. Number 32, growling in. It is not a go-kart. It means business. He doesn't play. Those wheels will roll right over your foot and hurt you just as much as a horse would. Gotta watch out for these little guys. rolling and fast and smooth and pretty. He's ready for the beach. Jacob Johnson doesn't play. He will go right over you in that movement. 1947, Gibson Model D. And the 53, Jim Harry owner, Ricky Oster driving the Gibson early. That's a Canley 8. If I said that right. Shirley Miller, 1947, Gibson A. Randy King, the driver. Number 57, corralling on down the runway with the little guys. 88, tumbling right behind. Smoothing things out. Rex Kitchen, the 1955 Santa. What a cute little thing that is.
They're on different ones now. I think they're on different ones
And the
now,
seat
baby.
looks cushy too.
Well, maybe they are doubling back.
USA, our thing.